if you didn't watch the last video, make sure you check that out before watching this, or you can watch it after this, doesn't matter. But we are on our way to Legoland.
Look at Jodelle.
We're gonna be vlogging the whole time while we're there. Just sharing our experience at the theme park. We don't know what to expect because there's so many supposedly activities and attractions. So we'll see you guys when we get there. Bye.
Hi guys, it's Joab. We're about to go to Legoland. And yeah, guys, I just wanted to tell you that. And peace out.
A picture at every spot, so you just decide to take videos of them. Okay, got your picture. Okay, alright. So we ended up splitting up. It's me and Joe, because Joab is being a party pooper. He don't want to get on any rides. So I'm going to get on a ride with Joe. And I think Jonathan and I are going to take turns with 2 rides with him. I know Jonathan likes to ride as well. So I'm going to do this one, and then when he gets tired of holding Dell, we'll swap, and then he'll ride Joe. But we're about to get on a ride finally. What is this? Is called Dragon Pirates, right? Joab and Grandma's.
Energy and becomes an elemental master.
So we are currently on a line waiting for, this is called Coast Guard Academy.
I'm a drive.
Coast Guard Academy. The line is not that long. So far, I have my opinions about Legoland, New York. I would definitely say when you are coming here, bring a water bottle of your own, because they have a whole bunch of refill stations like everywhere. You can refill your water bottle. Even like the food areas, you can refill your water bottle for free, and there's ice and all that, so you don't have to keep paying. They do have their water bottle, but they sell for like $20, which is a lot smaller than the one I have, but to each his own if you want to spend that. Another thing I would say is to reserve your ride times. Luckily for us, I did some research and I knew that I had to reserve the times for the rides and the shows that we were really interested in, but the people that didn't reserve their time, they were kind of upset because they couldn't get in. So it's kind of like, I feel like they should let people know. Anyway, my camera died in the middle of me talking. But as I was saying, you should definitely, I mean the food, I'm not really liking the food. The only good experience I had so far was the pizza, brick pizza by the water playground. That was really good. I had a cheeseburger. I didn't really like the cheeseburger, but the fries were banging. But we're looking to get some ice cream and ices after this ride, hopefully. So we'll see how that goes. But so far, that's been our experience. Jonathan trying to get in here, but no.
It's hot, but it's a good day. It's going up.
Yeah. Okay. See you after. Bye.
Put your hands under the water. Please keep your hands under the water.
Yay.
And please put your phone away.
Driver, we can't use the phone in here. All right, put it down. It's a tough shot, Joe.
Go, Brody. Let's go.
All right.
Good job, Brody. Keep working, Black. Let's go. Go, J.O. Let's go.
Okay, so let me catch you guys up. I know the last clip you guys saw was a bunch of basketball games. So the boys are playing in like a weekend 3-on-3 tournament out here. So after Lego, I don't think I vlogged as much. I just showed that 3-on-3 tournament. So Joab's team unfortunately lost, so they're out. And tomorrow Josiah's team is playing again because they won. And Jonathan's team, Jonathan's also playing. I think I recorded his game, a little bit of his game. So them two will play again tomorrow. But I just washed my hair because my hair is like so itchy. I wanted to wash it after Legoland, but I didn't get a chance to. So I just washed it and I need a trim. So I'm going to just, I think I'm gonna do a silk press, like my own silk press. Jonathan's about to cut the boys' hair. So he's gonna give them a haircut, and then Josiah wants braids again. So I think I'm gonna braid his hair. But while he's cutting their hair, I'm just gonna do my hair. Teamwork. This one's doing Jonathan's doing haircuts.
Right. Like that sort of stuff. It's all good. It comes with the territory. Have you ever shot an air ball from the free throw line? No. So how do you feel that you should be, if you're a top 10 player in the league, you should ever shoot an air ball at the free throw line? I'm sure it happens. But you have it. I haven't. I've never been top 10. I don't think if you're a top.
Day 2 of the game. So basically, we made it to the semis. Both Jonathan and Josiah made it to the semifinals, but unfortunately, neither of them can close. I'm just kidding. No, but they played very well. In the end, Joe had like 3 back-to-back games, and you know, of course, they're tired. I'm not gonna put it on being tired, but it was a close game. They lost by 1 point. So we're headed home. But it was a good tournament. I'm not sure why Jonathan lost, but
I mean, let's put the camera on me. Let's talk a little bit.
Eat my banana.
You know what I mean? Off the camera though. Nah, I'm gonna stop.
Okay.
So you know, wins and losses. We could have did something differently to win. You know what I mean? I was more so like.
Watch the curb.
Did I hit the curb?
Almost.
You could come drive. I was like more so worried about the boys, so I'm like bouncing around like a ping pong, and I'm not really focused on the game until I play in the game. And it's like I'd rather be I rather would have just been sitting down right there, cooling. But I'm a pole pops, and both of my kids is playing the 20 down there, and I'm fiending to watch them play. So I'm like bouncing around, missed some of the game yesterday. That kind of helped us get our first loss. Today we played 2 tough teams and beat both of them, and then lost to the team that was not as good as those 2 teams that we beat.
Yeah.
Life happens. You know what I'm saying?
You have to blink us on.
Yeah, I was turning. Miriam, you can come drive. So that's how we lost. And then the young boys, I wasn't really able to like tap in fully, like I said, because my game was kind of like at the same time as their game, so it was like going back and forth. So I wasn't able to really like be there and coach them and stuff like that. I don't think they ended up losing one yesterday. Yeah. They beat that team today, though. They got their good back.
Smacked them.
Yeah, they beat them. They beat on them. But them boys could have won the whole tournament. I feel like we had what it took to win the whole tournament. Yep. We also didn't have no sub. It's a lot of things. It was a lot of things. It was a lot of things I could talk about. But they competed. They showed up. Everybody remembered that team. You know what I'm saying? They're going to remember that team. When they see them, they're going to know like, all right, yeah, them kids play ball. But it's just for our kids, we don't lose. We just learn. You know what I mean? We learn how to approach the game and respect the game. It's a lot. I still say it to myself all the time, respect the game. Because sometimes I might downplay the game and then get cracked. It's like, but if you respect the game, you come into it with a different mindset, you locked in. All is well, man. I'm 1 man 1,000. We're gonna be doing some things. I lost my voice. We're gonna figure it out.
Yeah, and
we're gonna figure it out.
Just move it this way because my arm's hurting.
I'm Gucci though. God bless you all.
Joe.
We appreciate y'all. Stay tapped in. Dad, talk to the boys.
Joe's mad. I'm not gonna show Joe. I'm gonna respect his space. You know he's older now. Joab, what's up, Joab? Okay.
But
anyway, I'm gonna close out the vlog for this week because we're not a little salty. They wanted that one real bad, and I understand. So, but you win some, you lose some, right? So, catch you in the next vlog. See you next week, maybe.